Chris here, to show you how to release your neck in a sitting or standing position. Okay, so obviously I'm seated against the wall here. You can certainly do this in standing as well. The key is we have a tennis ball or a rolled up mat to help to kind of kick things into motion. So I'm going to take a ball here. First and foremost, I want to make sure that as I'm doing this, I don't feel any shooting pain or tingling in my neck or anywhere else, down my arms especially. And if I do, I need to stop. Okay, our neck houses a lot of nerves and different things. And, you know, if I've recently had like neck surgery, spinal surgery, you know, anything like that, do not do this, all right? This is better if, you know, your neck starts to hurt after a long day, you know, it's fatigue, that kind of thing. This is fine, but again, be very careful with that. So I'm going to take the ball, and I'm going to start by just going to roll my extensors, okay? And that's like right from kind of the top of my atlas here all the way down to the base of the beginning of my thoracic spine. So I'm going to take the ball, I'm going to put it into this part of my neck, kind of behind my, what we call my suboccipital muscle. I'm just going to let it sink in, take my hand and just let it hang here. I'll do it with the other side so you can see me. And again, I would just kind of like look up and down, and I want to do this with breathing. So I take a deep breath in, I exhale, I just look up, look down. One more time, deep breath in, exhale, look up and down. And I'm just going to bring it down a little bit. Same rules apply. Deep breath in, exhale, let it sink in. One more time, deep breath in, let it sink in. So that would be rolling with a with a ball. The only other thing that I like, and this is probably going to be better for you like when you're lying in bed, but this is also good on a wall. What I can do is I can just put a rolled up mat or a towel behind my neck, and this is going to help to restore the natural lordosis of my neck. All right, and this is something that I can do for quite a while. I would only do the ball for maybe 30 seconds to maybe 2 minutes, but with this I can just put it behind my neck, take a deep breath in, look up, exhale and look down. Again, deep breath in. As I look up, exhale. As I look down. Let's do this a couple times. I can also do this while rotating my neck. Look to the left while keeping my neck on the bolster. Deep breath in. Look to the other side. Rotate while keeping it on the bolster. And again, the breath kind of sets our neck free, kind of tells our body to let go of tension somewhat. So again, just taking time to work these different motions with my neck, trying to breathe deep, telling my body to relax, is a good thing to do to help to kind of put my neck in a better position as well as release it. So give that a try. Let me know what you think.